welcome to today's tutorial class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MyKTech. Today we'll be producing the object as displayed on the screen on Autodesk Inventor titled Valve Body. So the very first thing is I'm going to click on Start to the sketch. Click on any of my plane right here. I'm going to create a vertical line at a distance of 127. Enter. Okay. Then I'm going to create a horizontal line to it at a distance of 204. Enter. Then I click on fillet of radius 50. I click on the horizontal and vertical line. Then finish. After doing that, I'm going to click on origin, pick XZ plane, which is the horizontal plane for me right here. Then click on start sketch. I'm going to pick a circle sitting at the midpoint here. I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 50. Okay, followed by a circle of diameter 64, followed by a circle of diameter 72, then followed by a circle of diameter 165 from the same center. Okay, now somewhere along this area I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 12. Okay, and the distance from this circle of diameter 12 to the midpoint is going to be height of 120 divided by 2. 128 divided by 2. Okay, 64. Then I'm going to click on my circular pattern. Click on this circle, click on axis, click on this, and I'm going to fix in 3. Then okay, then I'm going to finish my sketch. So I click on sweep, my sweep command. Picking my sweep command, I pick this and this. Okay, I click on select curve or edge, I pick this line, then okay, then yes. So extend, widen my sweep command. I click on sketch 2 and I share sketch. So I pick on my extrude this time around. I pick on this circle, 64, the one of 64 at a distance of 12 mm. Okay, then I click on my my plus. So I click on this bigger one at a distance of 20. Then okay. So I can hide this sketch too. I can hide it. Alright, so this is how our object actually looks like at the bottom here. You see that? So, and that is that about that. That is that about that. So right now I'm going to click on my my YZ plane. Click on my YZ plane. I click on start to the sketch. Okay, I slice my graphics F7, or you click this area on your screen. Exactly. So I'm going to click on project cause edges. I'm going to click on a line, get the center here, draw it outside like this, draw a line like this in this order, pick my coincident constraint, pick the center of this line which I created just now, which is this, lock it to the midpoint here, then with my dimension here to the horizontal plane at 60 degrees, enter. Then with my line, I draw this like this down here, then from here all the way to this, and I finish my sketch. So I click on my extrude. Clicking on my extrude, I pick this, I go symmetric through all, then cut, then okay. So I click on plane, I click on this surface, then this to create that plane. Then I create a sketch on that plane. So before I proceed, I'm going to click on project geometry, which is this circle, then okay. What I did was to get a midpoint. Okay, now clicking on my circle from this midpoint, a circle of diameter 50, enter. After that, a circle of diameter 166, enter. Then towards this area, a circle of diameter 48, enter, and a circle of diameter 20, enter. So with my dimension from the midpoint here to the midpoint of this circle at a distance of 76, enter. So I'm going to pick my line, just going to draw a line from here to here and from here to here. So picking my tangential constraint. So take note of what I'm going to do. This big circle to this line, you see that this line to this circle already constrained, this circle to this line, you see that, then this line to this circle, I've done that also. Now looking at everything right here intact, I'm going to click on trim. I'm going to trim this x-axis off. I trim them off like this. Now I'm going to pick my line, stand at the midpoint here, just create this vertical line, click my mirror. I'm going to mirror this line, this, and this, then click on mirror line, click on this, then what, apply, and what, and done. So I duplicate it to the other edge. So I'm going to click on this line, and you will use what, hidden. Okay, with my trim now, I can trim this, and this out of the way. Then what, finish sketch. Finishing my sketch, I click on extrude. I'm going to extrude this figure at a distance of 20 outside the areas. Then what, okay. I'm going to hide this plane. Now this area is actually opened. How do we close it? So take a look at it. So I'm just going to click on this surface, create sketch. After creating my sketch, I'm going to click on project geometry, then what, click on that surface, then what, okay. Then click on my 3D, click extrude. Then I'm going to click on to what, to this face right here, then what, you see, enclose, then what, okay. So I have this object developed like this. It remains that area at the top, and to fix that, I'm going to click on my XZ plane this time around, which is the horizontal plane, XZ plane. So I'm going to offset that FZ plane to a distance of 127 plus 42. Offset 127 plus 42. That's it. Then what, enter. So right here I'm going to create a sketch on that plane. So I'm going to come here, pick my 2-point center rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle of height of 80, width of 50, enter. So I'm going to draw another rectangle at the same center, height of coming, please. So the second one is going to be a height of 65, height of 130 and a width of 136, then what, enter. Okay, so I'm going to pick my dimension from this midpoint here to the center of this circle here, distance of 100, enter. Have you seen that? So I'm going to click on my arc, center arc. I'm going to sit right at this junction at radius, that's going to be radius 82, enter. Then I draw this like this. So after drawing that, I'm going to pick my trim command. I'm trimming this and this. I'm trimming this. I'm trimming this. Right. I'm trimming this. I'm trimming this. I'm trimming this. I'm trimming this also. Now after doing that, I'm going to click on my circle, locate the midpoint here. It is going to be green, circle of diameter 12. Okay, so doing that circle of diameter 12, I'm going to come somewhere here, just somewhere here randomly, draw another circle of diameter 12, enter. Then on its opposite side here, another circle of diameter 12, enter. So with my dimension, I click on this circle to this circle right here. The distance between them is 104, enter. 104, enter. So, and the vertical height between them is 32, enter. Okay, I think that's it. 32, enter. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to actually create a line on the center like this, a vertical line. Okay, I'm going to click on symmetry. I'm going to click on this center of the circle, the center of the circle, and this line like this. You see that? So I'm also going to create a horizontal line from the center like this. Okay, I'm going to click on mirror. I mirror this circle, this circle, this circle. My mirror line is going to be this, then what? Apply and what? And done. So I have it in that order. Now I'm going to click on this line and make it hidden. Do you see that? Likewise, this line, make it hidden. This vertical line, hidden. This horizontal line, hidden. Then what? I'm going to finish my sketch. Upon finishing my sketch, I click on extrude. I extrude this figure at a thickness of 20, then facing downward like this. Then what? Okay. So I'm going to hide this plane, the visibility. So now I'm going to click on my XY plane. So I'm going to offset it at a distance of 100 towards the right hand side. So offset from plane 100, that's going to be minus 100 since I'm coming towards the right. Then what? Okay. So clicking on this, now I'm going to what? Create a sketch. I'm going to slice my graphics, F7 right there. I'm going to project cut edges like this. Now so I'm going to draw a circle first of diameter 80, enter. Then another from that same center of diameter, what? 100, enter. So after drawing those two circles, I am going to draw a line, pick a line from the midpoint here, to the area like that, tangentially. Okay, then from here to here like this, and from here to here like this. So with my trim command, I'm going to trim this. Okay, I'm trimming them out, so just to be sure, with my tangential constraint. Okay, I'm going to check them out. So logged in, then logged in. So after doing this, I'm going to finish my sketch. So upon finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude. So first of all, I'm going to pick this and this, those two. I'm picking on those two like that, exactly. So and that's going to be at a I think I should be okay, notwithstanding. So at a distance of 96, then I'm going to go symmetric. Then what? I'm going to click on plus. All right, yeah, I'm clicking on plus. So now I'm going to click on this and this, and I think together with this, yeah, I'm going that way. So at a distance of 50, I'm going symmetric, then what, I'm clicking on cut, and what, okay. So with my okay, I can hide this plane like this. So I'm having something like this. Do you see that? I'm having something like that. So I'm going to click on my fillet at radius 10. Am I correct? Yeah, at radius 10. I do this, then on the inside I do this and this, and what, okay. So I have it this way like this. Do you see that? So straight up. We are almost done. Okay, so I'm going to pick my ZY plane or YZ plane, whatever. So my YZ plane, create sketch. I'm going to click on my slice graphics, which is F7. Do you see that? I'm going to project cut edges. Then I'm going to pick a line, picking a line from this edge right here all the way to this edge here, like that. And I'm going to finish my sketch. Then I'm going to click on extrude. So the thickness of this is what, is 10. Then I'm going to make it what, symmetric, then what, okay. And that brings us to the end of our object here. Yeah, that's the production of that object right there. So what else are we missing out? Let me check. Okay, fillet. I'm going to fillet this area, radius 3 for this area like this, and this area radius 3 also. Apply. So other areas we are told to use radius 6. Other areas like, stop everything. Let me do it one after the other and see what it's going to actually look like first. Okay, I think it works that way. Yeah, so that is actually the solution to the problem as displayed on the screen. All of these are just, you know, so okay, that area won't work out. I think that's the issue. So, and that is the production of our what, of our drawing. Yeah, that is the duplication of, I think 3 should fall for it here. Okay, so that's it. That's the production of our object. That is it. So once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MikeTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.